welcome. Today's video, we are unboxing our fall FabFitFun box. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, this is a lifestyle and beauty subscription. Pretty much it can only be lifestyle if you wanted to, because you are in charge of everything in this box. We're talking big brands. There's brands like Free People, Show Me Your Moo, we've got Kapari, we've seen Fenty, Olaplex, like you name it. I get so excited over this subscription box. I already done did the pics. Did I forget? Mama's in perimenopause, okay? So it's just normal for my brain to not work the way it used to in my 20s. Now this particular subscription is a quarterly subscription, so you're going to receive it 4 times a year. You know your girl's got a coupon. In no particular order, let's go ahead and jump into the first thing. This is by Steve Madden. Now these to me look like the very, very crazy expensive brand out there, and Mama is really good at sitting on her sunglasses and breaking her sunglasses on repeat. So I figured if I can find cute stylish sunglasses, might as well do it in the FabFitFun box, okay? Because you're saving money right here. Darn near just paid for the box. I'm a little too excited. All right, so these sunglasses, look how cute they are. Very nice, great quality. They do have a retail value of $48. And these, I love them. And guess what? Cheek approved. If you're a cheeky girl, I don't care what my size is. My cheeks are just there. These are not going to take a spin on my cheeks. I did pick out the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Hair Mask. There's just something about Amika. Like, do you instantly like know the smell, the scent of Amika? Their hair care products are so good. I love how clean they smell. They're just such a great hair mask. This is full size, so keep in mind when it comes to FabFitFun, all of your products are going to be full size products. And this hair mask, by the way, it's coming in at $34. Now, if you guys are interested in FabFitFun, let me tell you how you can save some money first and foremost. All right, so I did ask FabFitFun if they would give us some coupon codes, and they did. They gave us 2. So if you guys are wanting to test the waters and sign up and just pay per box, I do have a 20% seasonal coupon for you guys, which is just Hot Mess. Now, if you're wanting to really fully commit, and this is of course like the better deal, and not only that, you're also going to get like a special little gift worth about close to $200, then you're going to want to use my other coupon code. You get a $200 gift for the annual sign up, and the coupon code is HOTMESSGIFT. Now, this is where you're going to go ahead and pay upfront for the box, and it's going to save you additional money, and then of course you're going to get that additional little $200 gift. So it's definitely worth it. Let's get back into the unboxing, and I'll get more into the coupon code and all of that. All right, so next in here, think lifestyle, and I was so excited to see this because this sweater cardigan had a $98 retail value. The other thing about the FabFitFun subscription that I love is they have bougie brands. Look how nice this sweater is. Oh, it so reminds me similar to the quality of the Free People blanket that they had a few seasons ago. Was it last winter? I think I fell in love with that. I had to go back and pick up another one of the Free People blankets. And that's the beauty of being a FabFitFun member, is when you are a member, they have flash sales. So you can go and do a little shopping at discounted prices for things like Free People or Prada or Kate Spade. And this particular brand of the sweater is Nia. And like I said, it does have a $98 retail value. I did get mine in the size small medium. They had a lot of sizes to choose from. Matter of fact, let me just tell you guys that the choices for the fall box had your girl really excited. Jumping into the next item that I picked, this is the Electric Picks, and it is a necklace. They had it in silver, they also had it in gold, and I've been kind of dabbling more into wearing more jewelry. Now this necklace does have a retail value of $68. We're gonna do a grand total at the end. Oh, this is so cute. I love the fact that the chain is an adjustable style chain, so if you want to wear it longer, you could. If you want to shorten it, you can. I love this. It's so cute and it's so dainty. And another thing to think about when it comes to your FabFitFun boxes, yes, of course, I want to keep everything in here, but I'm always thinking about Christmas gifts as well. And I mean, how cute would this be as a Christmas gift? It is so adorable. I love the little like diamond looking accent in there. All right, jumping into the next item, I felt like I am trying so hard with my ADHD to be more organized, and my therapist said writing things down is like the key when you're dealing with ADHD. So I did get this Pantone journal. I did get the journal in the last FabFitFun box that they had, and I love it. I use it all the time. This particular one, I thought it would be good to just like jot down ideas for work or my to-do list or whatever. So if you're not into journaling, don't worry about it. You can always get this as like a little to-do, a little reminder type of dealio. This does have a retail value of $18.99. It does have 192 pages. It has the expandable little keep it shut for you, and I love this stuff. Let me know, do you guys do that too, ADHDers? Like, I have post-it notes all over the house. With that being said, they fall all over the house. So I thought if I just stayed a little organized and put it into a cute notebook that kind of got me excited to write in, that would be a good idea. Next in here, I picked out like these little cloth napkins. I felt like maybe these little napkins would be so adorable. They are so nice. See, that's what I'm talking about, like lifestyle. Not everything has to be like makeup or whatever. You literally get to customize it to your liking. So this is by the brand Darling. They do have a $28 retail value. It is a set of 4. I thought these would be really nice for decorating the table. I really love the color for fall. I'm kind of like low-key thinking like white pumpkin setup for the fall decor, and then getting like a cute little white pumpkin whatever to put on the napkins, or some sort of white leaves with gold accents or something. I thought these would be so cute to put on the table. These are like things that I know that I would never go and think to purchase, but then when they put it out in front of you, you're like, yes, I need that in my life. The next and last item in here, and this again, I struggled in this category. I went back and forth between this and one other item. This is the tote bag, and I thought this would be perfect going to the gym or what have you. I loved the burgundy color. I just thought it was so pretty, and it's like that nice trendy style. We have a nice zipper, and it's not too small, but it's not too big. It's literally perfect. So if you're a mom on the go, you need a nice little diaper bag that you can clean off easily. This is going to be perfect. I absolutely love this. We do have little compartments on the inside. This does have a retail value of $80, and it is by the brand Splits 59 from Los Angeles. I thought this would be perfect. Perfect for what I know I need it for. Alright, so that was everything in my FabFitFun Fall box, and the grand total came to around $368. Now keep in mind, if you want to go ahead and sign up for FabFitFun the Fall box and customize this however you like, you're going to see so many different and wonderful brands when it comes to FabFitFun, and you are curating this box customized to you, straight to your door, and you're saving heck of money on this. Now remember, you have coupon options if you just want to not fully commit because you have commitment issues. Girl, I get you. I understand. You're talking to a Gemini here. Hello? Coupon HOTMESS is going to save you 20% off your first box. The seasonal membership is $79.99. Now the annual membership, you are going to go ahead and pay a year's worth up front, and you're going to get that discount, and it's going to run you $259.96, and you are going to end up only paying $65 per box. So we see the deal here, right? And you're going to get that $200 gift. Of course, I'm going to have everything down in the description box for y'all as well. I will pin it in the comment section for you guys. When it comes to FabFitFun, you get 4 times a year a fully customized box with 6 full-size items in this box. And fun little fact that I forgot to mention, The fall box actually has a 7th product in here that you all are customizing. So you're probably like, Rhonda, you keep talking about 6 full-size products, but you showed us 7. Yeah, that's right. They have a little surprise for us for the fall box. So not only are you going to be able to save with my coupon codes, either HOTMESS for seasonal or HOTMESSGIFT for annual, but you also going to get exclusive access to the big sales that FabFitFun has, where you get like up to 70% off of products. We're talking things like Prada, Kate Spade, Coach. I mean, this box is literally all about lifestyle, beauty, wellness, fashion. So each box has a retail value up to $350. And your girl didn't do fast math before, but I did double check it. And this box is actually worth $374.99. So thank you once again to FabFitFun for partnering with your girl in today's video. Let me know if you guys have signed up. What are some of the items that I picked in my box today that you plan on putting into your box? Don't forget, all information will be in my description box as well, pinned in the comment section for y'all down below. Anyways, friends, I'm hopping off for now. Until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
With you, I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.